In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customers and suppliers in Xero. Let's get started by heading over to the Xero accounting software website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Click on the login button on their homepage and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure these details are correct and then go ahead and click login again to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can navigate to various features of Xero. For our task today, you need to look for the contacts section, click on contacts, and this will take you to a list of all your current contacts. Here, you have the option to view all contacts, or you can select either customers or suppliers depending on what you are looking to import. Now with your contacts list in view, look for the three dots in the upper section of the page. Clicking on these dots will present you with more options. From the drop-down menu, select Import. This feature is particularly handy offered by Xero, as it allows for a smooth transition of data into your account. If this is your first time importing contacts, you might want to download the template provided by Xero. This template will guide you on how to structure your data correctly. Once downloaded, copy your existing contact data into this template formatted just the way Xero likes it. But should you already have a file ready in the correct format, you can skip the template download. To proceed with importing your file, click on Select File. This will allow you to browse your computer for the file you want to upload. Once you have selected the right file, go ahead and click on Upload. It is essential to ensure that your file adheres to the format requirements for a smooth upload process. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see an option to click on Next. Doing so will initiate the import process, Xero will process the document, and your contacts will begin populating into your account. This step typically involves double checking the data fields to ensure everything is correctly aligned. And there you have it, you've successfully imported your customers and suppliers into Xero. This process not only saves time but also helps in maintaining a centralized database for better business management. Remember, the more organized your data is, the smoother your accounting processes will be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Xero tips and tricks.